Hey everyone, welcome back. Tonight's journey started with a simple goal, pulling data from IO-Link again. This time, I thought, maybe I should switch from HTTP to MQTT requests. It sounded like a better fit, I uploaded a couple of test sketches using GPT's suggestions, but honestly, they didn't make me happy. Something was missing, so I decided to go back to the PLC IDE and use the internal MQTT communication library, something more stable and integrated. If you've worked with Arduino Opta or Portena before, you probably know that switching between the Arduino IDE and the PLC IDE usually means reloading the bootloader. No big deal, usually, but this time, something went wrong. I got a fault, sketch not uploaded. Tried again. Rebooted the Opta, rebooted the IDE, still nothing. Panic slowly started to set in. I really didn't want to brick my new toy. I jumped back into the Arduino IDE, but now I was getting a new error, DFU fault 74. That usually means either the driver has failed or the bootloader is stuck in limbo. So I tried rewriting the bootloader again through the PLC IDE. Nope, Windows started freaking out. The IDE froze, and I was stuck, desperate. I asked ChatGPT how to fix the DFU fault, then jumped on Google to cross-check. Everyone was talking about using DFU-util and Zadig to replace drivers. Now, I'm not a huge fan of Windows, but unfortunately, most automation tools live there. So I had no choice. Luckily, I found a really helpful guide online, and ChatGPT was also walking me through it, step by step, even though I didn't trust it fully at first. No offense, buddy. I tried different setups and finally managed to force the Opta into flash mode. From there, I used Zadig to replace the driver with WinUSB, and boom, the IDE recognized the Opta on a new COM port and allowed me to upload the sketch. Success, right? Well, not quite. As soon as I jumped back to the PLC IDE, it bricked again, so I repeated the entire process a few more times. Eventually, I realized something critical. After uploading a sketch in Arduino IDE, I had to switch the driver back to serial in Zadig before jumping into PLC IDE. Finally, after about an hour of back and forth struggle, the PLC IDE successfully recognized port 11. The sketch uploaded, no faults, victory. At that moment, I shut down my PC, took a deep breath, and just went to sleep. And if you're still here with me, here's a small life lesson. If you think your life is boring, try doing something you've never done before. You'll probably mess up. You'll spend hours trying to fix it. And when you finally return to square one with things working again, you'll feel a strange combination of exhaustion, relief, and joy. It's like in physics, work equals force times distance. I used a ton of force tonight, but my distance was 0. So technically, my work equals 0, but my experience? Priceless. Never give up. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.